You should literally stop working right now because I'm about to show you how to set up a complete autopilot system to make money online without doing any of the work yourself. So once you set this up, everything will be pretty much done for you, and you will also be getting traffic on semi-autopilot without having to do any of the work yourself. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. So first and foremost, we will be using SEO Clerks, which can be found at seoclerks.com. SEO Clerks is a marketplace where regular people like me and you can buy and sell various freelancing services. As a result, they sell everything from voiceovers to business cards, logo design, graphic design services, banner advertisements, article writing, email newsletter writing, presentations, and much more. Don't worry, you will not have to complete any of those services. I am not going to tell you to go to SEO Clerks and just sell some services because I said you'd have to stop working if you want this to work. It will not work if you do the work yourself. However, if you do not work, you will be able to profit from this strategy. As a result, we will concentrate on article writing as a service. So if we go to article writing, you will notice that people are selling the service and profiting from it. Fiverr is another platform that is very similar to SEO Clerks. So Fiverr is literally the largest freelancing platform out there, with people selling all kinds of different services. The difference between SEO Clerks and Fiverr, however, is that Fiverr is a highly competitive website. On Fiverr, there are a lot of people selling their services. Yes, there are more customers, but demand is high and competition on Fiverr is fierce. However, with SEO Clerks, there is a demand for various services, but competition is relatively low. So, there aren't many people selling their services, and even fewer are using the strategy I am about to share with you in this video, which can allow you to make money with no prior experience. However, if you want to maximize your results, you should use a variety of freelancing platforms. Don't worry, you won't have to write anything else now. Everything will be done for you, and at the end, I will show you how to actually get sales that are 5 to 10 times your results and 5 to 10 times your earnings. So if you want to post your services like this one, a 1,000-word article for $5 to $10, all you have to do is join the SEO Clerks platform. Create an account in SEO Clerks by entering your email address, selecting a username, creating a password, confirming the password by simply retyping the same password, and clicking continue. Once you have done that, you will be able to log in and sell a service by going over to sell a service section over here and posting it. So you just want to post a gig that says something like, I will write a 1,000-word article or blog post for you, and then you list it for $5 to $10. I'd like to do the same thing on Fiverr. To list your services for sale on Fiverr, go to fiverr.com, sign up, and then click to switch to selling. Once you do that, you can simply post a gig for free, and it will be seen by various people on Fiverr. Don't worry, later on I will show you where to get people to buy your service from you. So I'm not just going to tell you to list your services and then rely on the algorithm of Fiverr or SEO Clerks to get sales. I am going to show you exactly how to do it, get sales, and make money. So first and foremost, how do you complete the service? Before I tell you how to get customers, consider this. If you don't know how to provide the service, why do you need customers and clients? So instead of you doing the work, you can go to writesonic.com to complete the service to actually get those articles written. Writesonic.com is an AI tool that writes various articles for you, and it will write a full 1,000 to 2,000 word article for you with a single click of a button. So you simply press one button in this entire tool, and it will write an entire article for you that you can simply copy and paste over to your client or customer who ordered the article service from you. You could do this for an indefinite amount of time. So simply register at writesonic.com. I'll go to the dashboard and show you how it works. When you log in, you will receive 10 free credits. So you will not have to pay for anything in the beginning because you will receive 10 credits. However, if you want to continue using Writesonic and making money by selling article writing services in the future, you will have to pay $20 per month or something similar. But you don't have to invest anything upfront. Once you start getting sales and making money, say a couple of $1,000, you can just take $20 out of that and pay Writesonic because they are doing the work for you and it will pay off. And then choose AI article and blog writer from the drop-down menu. You have the option of using the AI Radical 3.0. This is the most recent version, and it performs the best. You will enter the topic inside of this box, click on Generate Ideas, and once you do that, this tool will generate different ideas for you. Then they will generate an intro that will generate a full outline. You will just approve it. You will just click the button, yes, I like it. And that will take you to step 4, where you will simply press Generate an article and they will generate a full article for you. After that, you can simply copy the article with one button, and once copied, you can simply submit it to your customer and make money. Okay, that's the simplest option. That is all there is to it. Okay, you have made your point. But how do you generate sales? How to get thousands of customers so you can start making money? You see, the thing about these SEO articles is that you don't always need to be finding new clients, because if you get someone who runs multiple blogs, a blog business, or has a website, and they like your services, they will ask you to write for them on a regular basis. Anyway, how do you generate sales? How do you go about acquiring customers? So what you need to do is start a YouTube channel that talks about the service you want to sell. In this case, that will be SEO blog articles, article writing, and other similar activities. So you want to make faceless videos. It doesn't have to be you in front of the camera. You can create videos on how to get content for a blog, how to get a unique fresh content for a blog on autopilot, or how to create an unlimited amount of free content. Obviously, none of the business owners want to do that. Instead, they prefer to hire someone to do it for them. Alternatively, you can create videos promoting your writing services and simply leave a link to your SEO clerk jobs post or to your Fiverr gig in the description so they can order it by clicking the link in the description. You don't necessarily need a large number of views. Even if you get 6,000 views like this person, that can result in a lot of customers because those are actual clients who will need those services, and many of them will click the link and order the service from you. Imagine earning thousands of dollars from a single client, thousands of dollars per month. You literally only need 10 clients to be able to retire because you don't have to do the work yourself. And as previously stated, YouTube automation is literally the best way to drive traffic to anything, particularly to these services such as Fiverr services, SEO clerk services, or any other freelancing services. It is the best way to find clients because they are highly targeted. Instead of spending money on Facebook ads, cold calling, or cold emailing other people, you can simply use YouTube automation. You don't even have to show your face, and you don't even have to record your own videos. You can simply delegate it to someone else. Simply tell them what kind of videos you want, and they will create them. You simply post them, leave a link in the description, get clients, and then outsource that on writesonic.com once you have made a sale. It is that simple. It does take time to figure out and set up all of this, but it can definitely pay off. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.